Friends, today I am with a new smartphone. This is iPhone 13 and you guys have already heard a lot of buzz about it. But in this video, we are going to talk about the unboxing of the device. We will talk about the few features. We will see a little bit of gaming and what this phone can do and how can you get the best deal for the iPhone 13 or maybe 13 mini or maybe 13 Pro or Max. So let's talk about the device first. It is priced around 79,900. This is the box pricing. You have to buy a charger separately. This is a blue color and it will be coming in 128 GB minimum storage variant. There will be a 256 GB and 512 GB variant too. So I'm just pulling out the back stickers, so there is no polythene wrapper currently in the device. And I have seen more thicker boxes of power bank than this. Is a very sleek box, and in this box we are getting an iPhone 13 here, and you can see it has a boxy kind of finish what we have seen in the iPhone 12, and it is just an experience to unbox an iPhone for sure. You are not getting any charging adapter with this. You are definitely getting the iPhone Apple sticker, the SIM card ejector tool, and some warranty guide instruction. So this is what you are getting inside the paperwork. And lastly, you will get a cable. This cable is Type C to Lightning cable. This is not a normal USB 2.0 to Lightning cable. So this is the cable what you are getting inside the box. Now talking about the iPhone model, this time they have launched 4 models. There is iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. What I am holding in the iPhone 13, and the screen size is 6.1-inch OLED display. You can definitely view the 4K display in this. And there is always you can see different languages. Hello, welcome, namaste. This will be there. So namaste is definitely one of my favorite if you see that in the iPhone. So this is the welcome screen what you are getting. It is coming with iOS 15 preloaded. Already claimed that the camera is much better than the previous generation 12. Though it comes with the 12 megapixel ultra wide cameras at the back. In the front also you are getting a 12 megapixel camera. In the camera you are also getting a cinematic mode which was not present in previous generation. So this is what you are getting for a change. And also the camera alignment, the back panel is different. It is placed diagonally. Earlier it was used to be placed vertically. Then later on you have to select the language and the country. For iPhone you can buy from the different country, but just check it out that it is not coming with the face locked feature or something like that. Go for the international variant if you are purchasing from US or maybe from Dubai or UAE. So after this it will ask you to register your Face ID. The Face ID is one of the most important things, so it will take twice a time to record the Face ID, and once it is done it will be very easier to unlock your device. In this time also we are not getting any fingerprint sensor to unlock your iPhone, so it will ask you again to record the Face ID. Once it is done and the Face ID is been registered, you can unlock your smartphone. And even for the payment system also, there are some places, App Store, you can use Face ID to do the payment and other things. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini has been launched in 5 colors. The 5 colors are product red, starlight white color, which is there is a black color, there is a blue color, and there is a rose gold color. So this rose gold color looks pretty much damn different what we have seen earlier. This is one of my favorite color, but in this video we are talking about the blue color. So these are the 5 colors. This will be the same color coming for iPhone 13 mini and also for iPhone 13. Now coming to the display, it comes with the XDR display. It has a 1200 nits of brightness, and in the sunlight it goes up to 800 nits. It also comes with the Apple's custom OLED display. Now coming to the processor, it comes with the new Bionic A15 processor, which is a faster neural engine. It comes with the 15 billion transistors. It has a new ISP. It comes with a new video encoder and new video decoder, and too much features including the security too. Coming to the rear camera, it comes with the new faster sensor, and this is a much bigger sensor. It has an aperture of f2.4, and this is the ultra wide angle which will give you a field view of 120 degrees. Now summoning up all the Apple event in this, you are getting a 5G. You can shoot 4K video in 60 frames per second in HDR. It comes with the IP68 rating. It has a longer battery life. It has a XDR display, ultra wide angle camera. It comes with a smaller notch, 20% smaller than the previous version. It will take better night modes, and there are some cases also. It has a A15 Bionic chip. Now, if we see the side design, it comes with a very similar pattern what we have seen earlier also. It has a ringer volume which you can change to silent. You have a volume rocker keys and also SIM card slot. You also can see the 5G antenna bands here. If we go to the bottom end, there is a Type C charging port. It comes with the Dolby Atmos audio support. On other side, if we go, we can see the 5G antennas again. But with that also, we are getting the power key, which is definitely one of the important things for the smartphone. So this is what we are getting as far as consulting of the physical keys. As we go at the back side, it comes with the lush blue color. It has a little bit bigger pump than the previous generation. It has a two camera setup with LED flash, and you can see it looks pretty much premium and very clean and neat in design. If we talk about the software version, I will show you. It is currently running on iOS 15.0. Though I got a small minor update for the device, but it is it. And this is a 128 GB internal storage. So Apple has finally stopped the 64 GB storage variant for all the iPhones. So currently 128 GB will be the minimum. You are getting the focus mode. As you can know, this is the hype for the iOS 15. And coming to the cinematic view, this is the hype for all the iPhone 13 series, and I will definitely make an entire separate video showing the how cinematic video works and how it looks like in the real life. I will also show you the samples for the same. So we will definitely discuss on the cinematic view and other features what you are getting in this. There is aperture settings and more in detail later on for the camera settings. So this is what we are getting for cinematic view, which is definitely a feature which will be available only in the iPhone 13 series, not other than that. About the notch is little bit smaller. I will definitely like to show you here. You can see it is 20% smaller. I will definitely like to compare it with other iPhone, and I will show you in video that how much there is a difference in the notch size also. Now coming to the charger, this is a USB charger with 20 volt, and the price for this is 1900 bucks in India. So this is costing around less than 2000 bucks, and you can buy that. Even you will also get GST for the same. So I will just peel off the top cover and will show you the charger. The charging adapter looks pretty much similar what I am using, which is a 18-watt charging adapter. There is not much different. And for the charging speed, I will also tell you that it takes 0 to 80% in less than 40 minutes. But after that, it will be a slow charge. So there is a capping after 80%. So you have to be a little bit patient. And I'm trying to show you the 20-watt charging adapter rating, but it is quite invisible. It is very, very lightly written, and the print is in very light color, so I can't show you. The price of the charger, I again repeat you, it is 1900 bucks. So this is the price of the charger of 20-watt adapter which we have purchased for the iPhone 13. And this adapter will work for all the iPhone models, and you can buy also MagSafe, which will be doing the wireless charging. This is the USB charging adapter, the user guide, and also the warranty card which comes inside the box. Now coming to the notch, I have already told you that I will show you the notch. The iPhone 13 is on the right side. On the left side is my 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro, and you can see the notch is 20% smaller what iPhone is claiming for, and it will be for all the iPhone 13 models. There is no change in the front camera. It is not like you have shrink the camera, so it will take a bad picture. Now coming to the gaming, it comes with the A15 Bionic chipset. It has a 4 GB of RAM. I will definitely make a separate video for this where you can have a look at how the gaming does. Now you guys can enjoy a few minutes of gaming, and later then I will tell you how to buy or get the best deal in India for iPhone 13 series.
First point for the red team! Cover me!
Now talking about the final price, I purchased it for 81,800, where the 1900 was the price of the charger. If you exclude that part, it cost me around 79,900, and you will get a 6,000 of SDFC discount. It will cost you around 73,900. This is what I am talking for iPhone 13 model 128 GB, and later on you can claim the IGST, which is around 12,168 bucks. And now total cost of your new smartphone iPhone 13 is 61,712, which is near about the UAE or the Dubai price, where you are getting around 59,000. So I will just ask you to use the SDFC card, get it from a friend or someone, and get a 6,000 or 5,000 cashback depending on this model which you are using, and also claim the IGST, which you can have, or your friend have, or somebody in your family have. You can get theirs too. Now coming to this is the end of the video where we have done the unboxing of iPhone 13. I have showed you few features and also talked about the best deal how you can get for iPhone 13. So this is Bhavin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for